Hello everyone, this is a Sunbeam Xpressheat heating pad. I recently got the flashing F on the control module and I wasn't able to fix it. I didn't feel like burning down my house with a homemade control module, so I decided to tear this apart, see what's inside and how it works. I know a lot of people have been looking for a diagram or understand how the 4 pins connect, so hopefully this will shed some light on that. As you can see, it's just one long wire. I think that's how most heating pads are made. At first glance, it looks like these two ends are connected, but they aren't. I've already used a multimeter, but I'm not going to show you that in this video because you can do that yourself. But the outside pins are actually connected and the inside pins are connected. And that's because there's actually two wires running through this. I cut the outside layer off, and as you can see, there's a little tiny copper wire that's wrapped around the outside of the smaller wire, which I believe is this one here. But I think that this is, it's used so that it can detect the temperature or something like that. I'm not sure, but this is all wrapped in this plastic covering, and then that's all wrapped in this rubbery plastic covering. So hopefully that helps someone out, and thanks. Have a good one.